Hi everyone, welcome to the Stat Programming. Today I'm talking about how to become a statistical programmer or SP in CRO or pharmaceutical industry. So how to become an SP in CRO? CRO means Contract Research Organization. So first you can search statistical programmer at glassdoor.com. Here you will see what the responsibility as a SP and what are the requirements. And after you see the requirement job description, you probably know that usually an SP need a bachelor degree or preferred MS degree in SDTM major. Some jobs may not require specific um, major, but usually they want SDTM major. And then you might need to get SAS certifications, and the base certification is minimal, and advanced is recommended. So currently most graduate students usually got those two certifications before they get a job. So try your best to get certifications from SAS. And then you might need to find a CRO because as a fresh graduate, it is very hard to enter the pharmaceutical industry. They usually want some years of experience. So the first job for you, for the fresh graduate, is more likely the CRO, so that you can get some experience. And the CROs are usually they are willing to sponsor your visa as an international student. And if you are a US citizen or permanent resident, you're fine, don't need to worry. And as I said, CROs are more likely your first job as an SP. So for fresh graduate, um, your first important thing is to try to find a CRO. Um, don't waste too much time sending out hundreds resumes to whatever pharmaceutical industry because they really want experienced programmer. So how to become SP in pharmaceutical industry? As I said before, they really want high experience SP, as you can see from job description. Usually they want 3 or 4 at least. Usually said 5 years of experience. So you have to gain some experience in the CRO first before you go to the pharmaceutical industry. And most likely, most of jobs in the pharmaceutical companies, they are not posting majority of their jobs. They give their jobs to their assigned vendors or CROs. So most likely you will apply those jobs through CROs or vendors. So try to get connected with those CROs or vendors and apply the jobs through them, and they will sponsor a visa for you, and they have the most of jobs in hand. So the Glassdoor only have a fraction of those available jobs. And usually, um, you will get a contract or consultant job first before you go to or transfer to the permanent position. Um, this is quite a normal pathway, a job path for most of people. And usually in pharmaceutical, your workload usually are much less than the CROs, and your salary usually a little higher, and you get much better career path.